Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app. Desktop Outlook versus Outlook on the web, each path differs slightly. Once done, make sure you have a Quillbot account and are logged in. This avoids interruptions during setup. Next, open Outlook and click Add-ins or Get Add-ins in the Home ribbon. This launches the Office store. Why? Because the extension installs from there and needs permission from your profile to integrate with Compose Windows. Now search for Quillbot in the Office store and select the official publisher entry so you avoid clones. Click Add or Get, and when prompted, grant the permissions. This allows Quillbot to access message composition areas. It won't read your mailbox contents beyond what you compose. Once added, open a new Compose window and pin or enable the add-in in the ribbon so it loads automatically when you start writing emails. Finish by logging into Quillbot within the add-in so your preferences and word limits sync. Without login, features may be limited. Then test paraphrase and grammar tools on a short draft to confirm behavior. If the add-in fails to appear, clear Outlook cache, restart the app, and if necessary remove and reinstall the add-in. Make sure your Office subscription allows add-ins and that admin policies aren't blocking installations. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.